Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to talk about text formatting with functions printf and sprintf. And in order to use those functions, we have to import library R utils. But this function is going to produce a lot of messages, so I'm going to use suppress messages like this. And first function that we are going to deal with is printf. Printf function is used to print to the screen, but we have to provide our format manually. And our first argument is going to be our format provided as a string, and then you could have as many arguments you like as long those arguments support our format. So now I'm going to type %s. This code you are going to use when you want to write string to the screen. But now, aside of this format, we have to provide the argument that supports this format. So we need one textual argument. Now, if you want to add some space, I'm going to type \t for tab space. And now I'm going to use %d. This is code for integer number, so I have to provide one integer in here. And I'm going to make some more space and %f. This %f code is for floating point number, so I have to provide some floating point, 25.45. Okay, I'm going to run this code, and this is what we are going to get. And now, as you see in our result, our floating point number it's not formatted as we want. So let's say that I want to eliminate all of those zeros at the end. I want only 2 decimals. How to do that? So in front of this f, I'm going to type 0.2. And now if I run this code, this is going to be our result. If you want new line, you are going to use escape character \n for new line. I'm going to run this code again. And as you see, now everything is better formatted. So as you can see, this function is extremely handy for text formatting. But now I'm going to show you another function, sprintf. This function is used to format some string that is going to be stored into variable. So I'm going to create variable a, and I'm going to store this formatted string into that variable. Now I'm just going to print that variable to the screen like this. But now if we print this variable in this way, you see that we are not going to get properly formatted string. In order to solve that, we are going to use function message. And we are going to message a out. Run this code again. Alright, now it's much better. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!